Here is some pretty shock-proof cases for Vivo X70 Pro Plus. It available in different colors like blue and pink. You can choose it by your choice. Here is the first look of Vivo X70 Pro Plus smartphone. Subscribe the channel for more amazing videos and also press the bell icon. Zemun case price is $9.95. It is anti-scratch shock-proof protective cover for Vivo X70 Pro Plus. It have 1.5 meter thick with better protection airbag. It give 1.5 meter higher front than the screen. It give higher camera protection to your Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Shantime silicone shock-proof cases for Vivo X70 Pro Plus. It is soft TPU back cover. Here is the first look of Vivo X70 Pro Plus smartphone. It is anti-fingerprints full body protective case cover for Vivo X70 Pro. Its price is $8.99.